الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل إن كنتم تحبون الله فاتبعوني يحببكم الله ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم والله غفور رحيم. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى أكون أحب إليه من والده وولده والناس أجمعين أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Honorable Chief Guests and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My today's speech topic is love of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here in this world, thousands of people have passed away, whom we have not seen, nor have we been meet, nor have we received any financial benefit from them, but we love them. Why? It's only because of their accomplishments. For example, we love Hatim Tai because of his generosity. We love Naushirwan because of his justice. We mention Rustam and Sardheir with great pride because of their bravery and masculinity. We love the name of Socrates and Plato because of their knowledge and wisdom. We give example of Ranja and Majnu because of their perfect love. So why don't we love the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who all these qualities are found with perfection? I acknowledge the generosity of Hatim Tai, but how can the generosity of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but how can the generosity of Hatim compete with the generosity of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has benefited the friend as well as the enemies? He never brought the word La on his tongue except in the Kalma Shahadat, the generosity of whom continues even after his departure from this world. I accept the justice of Naushirwan, but how can it compare to the justice of Prophet Hashmi, who released the sweet springs of justice in the vengeful and cruel atmosphere of Arabia, who declared that if Muhammad's daughter Fatima also stole, her hand would be cut off. I acknowledge the bravery of Rustam and Sardheir, but what about the great hero who fought alone against the savage beast of Arabia for many years without army, proper weapons and wit? I don't deny the knowledge and wisdom of Socrates and Plato, but it's nothing in front of the great knowledge and wisdom of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, from which hundreds of masters of knowledge and wisdom equivalent Socrates and Plato were born. I don't deny the speech power of Sohban, but it has absolutely no comparison to the speech power of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the greatest khatib of the world, from which hundreds of thousands of masters and equivalent Socrates and Plato were born. I don't deny the speech power of Sohban, but it has absolutely no value comparison to the speech power of sallallahu alaihi wasallam, from which hundreds which turn stones and turn the lives of heartless human upside down. So if these people are loved because of their perfection, then why not love this great man in whom all these qualities are found with perfections? Dear friends, decide for yourself whether you want to love the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has such attributes and perfections. The people of the world may be proud of someone's intelligence, justice, selflessness, but I am absolutely proud of our Prophet. And why should not I love the one in whom all these attributes and perfections were found in whole sense of perfection, and who taught these attributes to millions of human beings? I announce boldly that he who does not love Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam does not love these attributes and morals. He does not love truthfulness, honesty, humility, self-sacrifice and compassion. He does not love modesty and chastity. He does not love dignity and forgiveness. And he who does not love these morals does not love humanity. And he who does not love humanity is not a human, but a human savage in human clothing. Otherwise, it is impossible that a person who loves all these mentioned good qualities and characteristics see and hear the life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but not love it. I think that in the chest of such people there is no heart but a piece of stone. In their head there is no brain. May Allah Almighty grant us the power of true love for the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ameen wa ma alayna illa al-balagh.